Hi everyone, I'm Chris, the Aquarius Traveller. Make sure you subscribe for your worldwide travel content and inspiration. Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video on Elliott Heads Beach. Elliott Heads is located about 30 minutes from the city of Bundaberg and about 4.5 hours drive north of Brisbane in Queensland, Australia. There is about 1,000 people who live directly here, but 50,000 who live in nearby Bundaberg. I'm bringing you something a little different today, featuring some footage that I filmed on the ground and with my drone of Elliott Heads Beach. I try to feature a lot of outdoor content on my channel with swimming spots and sometimes camping, so if that interests you, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future uploads. The town is located on the mouth of the Elliott River, hence the name, and surrounded by bushlands, small crops and sugarcane. Elliott Heads is a popular spot for the still water areas, perfect for swimming, especially at low tide, creating channels among the sandbars, as well as surf offered on the beach. Alternatively, you will find people fishing, sailboarding, jet skiing, stand-up paddleboarding and other water activities you could ever think of. Right next to the beach you will find a caravan park if you're ever in need of that type of accommodation. Apart from that, there are other options like renting a beach house for the duration of your stay or staying in the many places at Bundaberg. There is a cafe and amenities right next to the car park. This is right next to the beach or the mouth of the Elliott Heads River. There are some other food options around the town itself, but you can always pack an esky with a picnic for the day. I find the car park at the mouth of the river limiting for the amount of people that visit, but you can choose to park anywhere along the coast. Accessing the beach can be harder from these areas with the beaches surrounded by rocks, but also be careful of magpie season. We got to taking some of this footage. In the end, if you're looking for a beachside holiday destination in Queensland, then you might want to give Elliott Heads Beach a go. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you for the next video.